to calculate aggregate values straight
Yes.
from group of friends.
Yeah, if you want without suppressing, if you want all the details of the table along with the aggregated values, means you have to go with the analytical functions, which doesn't suppress any data. Okay, if you are doing grouping, okay, with the group by class means what it will do, it will reduce the number of rows. It will take the department wise how many are there. There are having three departments only in the EMP table means only will get three records only, but you cannot able to fetch the complete details of the employees. Okay, if you want complete data, employee details along with that grouping values means you will go with the analytical functions. Okay, that is the main difference of analytical functions and grouping functions. All grouping functions will allow in analytical function. Okay, along with that, Oracle provided some other analytical functions, which are row number, rank, dense rank, first value, last value, lead lag. There are some other are there, but not important that much. Okay, uh, we'll talk about that row number and rank, dense rank. Can anybody tell me what is the row number, what is rank, what is dense rank, what is the difference among them? What is row number, what is rank, what is dense rank?
In row number values are same, denser number there is no skipping of value.
Dense rank, okay, there is no skipping values. Okay, means row number, no matter what you are doing, if you are doing the grouping means it will generate the normal sequence only. Even though we are having same values, it won't generate any repeated value. For the rank, what it will do, it will generate the sequence numbers. If we have the any duplicate values for that, it will generate the same sequence number. And what it will do, it will skip the subsequent numbers. Okay, if we are having for three values are same, okay, rank will be assigned to one, and rest of the two and three rank numbers will get skip. Okay, next, what is dense rank? It will generate the same sequence numbers if the values are duplicate, but it won't skip any values. That is the main difference of dense rank. Can anybody tell me how I can get the fourth highest salary in the employee table? How I can get the fourth highest salary in the employee table? I am not asking department wide, I am asking complete entire table. I need fourth highest salary. This is 100% question. One question will be there. I need third highest salary. I need fourth highest salary. 100% question will be there. If we are
I can
attending this,
select
what? Select what function we need to use.
denser rank.
Dense rank. Okay. Dense rank over next. I'm asking entire table, right? So no need to give any partition. If you required any grouping, then you can give the partition. Otherwise, not required. So order by well, you can use order by descending salary. Okay, this we can say rank from EMP. Okay, what it will return? hmm, It will assign the values. From that, I need fourth highest salary. So you can make this table, entire result set as a table. From that, you can filter. Okay, simply on top of that, you can apply one filter. E dot star from. Okay, this is the table, and simply you can do where R and K. We are giving alias names, right? So R and K equal to whatever rank you want, you can give. Okay. Now you will get the third highest salary. Okay, what is the error? E dot. So we need to specify the E alias names. You will get the third highest salary. Like this, you will get the nth highest salary. This is 100% question will be there. Okay. Next, what is the first value? What is the last value? Can you tell me? If you are doing any grouping in that, whatever table is saved in the data inside database, it will return the first value. Okay, last value means it will return the last value. How it will work based upon the how data is stored inside the database. That is the first value, last value. Okay, yesterday we have discussed one more thing, but yesterday I missed something. Okay, means aggregate functions were not worked properly as self joins worked. But there I have done one mistake. Actually, I should use the order by class with the same department number. If we are using the different column here means what it will do now, it will make the partition but change the column name. First priority would be this one, next priority is this one. That's why it is making the order, after that it is grouping, try to group. That's why we got sum and average count values are different values. Okay. Now yesterday I have checked this one, but syntax is same. But normally we use like that only. But whatever columns we are using based upon this order by date only, it will take. After that, once order is done, then it will do the grouping. That's okay. Now yesterday I have tried same thing. I have done the order by with the department number. With this one, I am getting correct values only. Let's see this one, how I am getting. Okay. See, in the employee table, I made the grouping with the department number and same way even order by department number also. Okay. First, I have taken the group of sum of 10th department salary. How much it will come? 2450 3000 6000. How much it will come? 7300 7750 879750. Okay, you are getting sum is same. Okay, even for 20th department also you can check. Okay, you are getting the sum of the result, even averages, count, everything. We are getting correct values now. Okay, min values, max values. Yesterday I have done mistake. I have chosen that order by column as ename. Ename or some other values. Salary I have taken. But actually we need to take care. If we are doing the grouping means we need to choose the value also order by, because order by value class will be the first preference in the analytical function. Okay, you got or not, guys? You should respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, yesterday we have not discussed about this one, lead and lag, right? Let's we'll discuss lead and lag. Can anybody tell me what is lead? Lag. What is lag? Hmm? Lead means little bit forwarding. Okay, lag means little bit we are back, one step back. Okay, like that we can say, right? Lead and lag means, okay, how much we need to forward. Okay, that we need to pass pass to the analytical function. Okay, syntax will be like this. It will take two more parameters. Okay, how many rows we need to forward. Actually, here let's execute and we'll explain this one. Okay, here lead class, we are doing the grouping and we are doing the order by with ename descending order. Okay, normally max min what will do, it will do the order by, after that will do the grouping. Okay, it will take the min or max whatever it values. Okay, now lead what it will do now, it will consider the salary column. Okay, let's assume first we'll execute the select statement. Okay, this will make the order by department number DESC. Along with that, what we are doing ename. Okay, both we can do. Okay, how it will take I will explain. Okay, first it will consider the department number, it will do the order by department number. Next it will make the order by this one, uh, ename. Ename is descending order, right? We are doing descending order, ascending, anything you can give. Okay, we'll make ascending order. Okay, we'll make the order by of the department number and EMP in ascending order. Okay. First it will do the order by of department number. Next it will do the order by of ename. Okay. Next, in that salary, we are considering the salary, right? Okay. How much salary? 2450. First it will consider the zeroth, means current row it will take, and it will skip the one row. Okay, means if you are along with the this one, if you are considering, means it will take the, for clerk it will consider the 6000. Okay, for king it will take the 3000. For miller, actually we are doing grouping for the 10, department number, right? So this will become 0. Okay, next in same way for the Adams, it is in which department? 20th department, right? So first it will consider the 1100. For this one it will become null. Next, for the Ford having 3000, while doing for the Adams it will show 300. Okay, let me execute this query so that you can come to know. Okay, instead of department salary, you can use e dot star. Okay. Okay, actually, how much clerk is getting? Clerk is getting 2450, but it is taking in the analytical function is 6000. How it is taking? It is taking from the salary next value of that one, means it is taking next value. If you given 2, means what it will take, it will take the 3000. Okay, let me execute that one. Okay, for 2550 it will skip the one two records and it will take the another one. For rest of the values it is a default value of that one. If you are giving some 1000, okay, let's see how much it will return. See, default values will return 1000. Okay, like that it will take. This is the lead, you are getting or not, how lead will work. Okay, this class is same how other analytical function will work. Same way it will work. Partition by and order by. Here it will accept. It will take two parameters. First one will be the how many steps you need to forward. Okay, if it is lag, means how many steps it needs to backward. Okay. Next value will be the default value, what value you want to display. If you are given 0, it will display 0. If you are giving some 10,000, it will display 10,000. Means that default value, whatever you are specifying here, same thing will be displayed here as well. Okay, that will be the lead. Same way lag also. Simply you can take lag. Okay, you can give. Can anybody guess what value will display now? Now here, after making the group and the lead functions, it is making the default values. Now lag means it's opposite, it will take first value as null normally. Okay, if we are provided default values, means it will display the default value. Rest value will be, for 6000 it will show the 2450, for 3000 it will show the 6000, like that it will change this one. Okay, let's see. Correct or not? First value will be the default value, Next value will be the for 6,000 it is showing 2,450. For 30,100 6,000 is showing. Again, this is 20th department. So here it's one group is completed. Next group, how it will take? First value will become default value. Okay, 10,000. Next, 300 will become 3,000 will consider the 1100 because it is a backward step 1100. Okay, like that lag will work. Actually in real time when it will use na, let's assume in share market, right? Share market or daily deposits, mutual fund business, anything is there, right? In that it will take the yesterday's how much transactions are there, today how much transactions completed, how much transactions are done. Okay, how much we got growth or how much we are got less compared to yesterday. Okay, how we can consider? Normally, data will be stored in the same table only. But if you are doing the join means you cannot consider. Okay, for one table means for one day difference you can do the self join and you can take the values. Okay, just considering the yesterday's date by joining that one. Okay, I want 3 days back values. How I can do? I cannot join multiple times, right? I need to join 3 days. 3 times I need to join the same table. But we cannot do like that. Simply by using the lead and lag functions, we can take the how much transactions are done yesterday, how much transactions are done day before yesterday. Okay, that count that value, some of the our transactions value will take into one parameter or one value, one column. Next, that will compare. Okay, let's assume we'll create one table and we'll give that example, real time example, that is 100. Sometimes if they want to ask some questions on lead and lag functions means this will be the questions. Interviewer nobody will ask what is lead, what is lag. Okay, that and all they won't give anything. You have to take care which function we need to use in the particular scenario. They will give simply, they will give some transaction table. Okay, let me create one table. Create table some transactions. Transaction table. Here transaction ID will be there. Okay, that we can say consider number, and the transaction date will be there. Okay, that will be number, sorry, date, and transaction amount. Okay, this will be number. Okay, this you can consider, you can consider entire company. Okay, just assume this is entire, for entire company sum of the transaction amount, this one. Okay, transaction table is completed. We'll insert the data. Insert into transaction company values. Can anybody tell me what values I can give? Transaction ID, some you can give some 1,001. Okay. Let's transaction date is, I will give some 5 days data. Okay, 3 days. This date minus 5. I can give, right? Can I give or not? Guys, respond. Is it work or not? If what it will do, you are doing the minus operation for the today's date. Okay, let's see. Yeah, row is created. Next, consecutive days, right? For the delta data means what? Difference. How much is there? Okay, here for, let's assume in the day 40,000 is done. Transaction ID no matter here. Just simply ignore this one. Oh, 45 days I have given. Sorry. For, okay, ignore 40,000. 6,000. Okay. This is yesterday's data. Okay. Let's assume this is today's transactions. Okay. So 90,000. This is the transactions. So let's start from transaction company. What all the records are there? Order by transaction date, right? Okay. Let's ignore this one. You can delete the second record. Delete from transaction company where PID equal to 1002. So now our data should be proper. So we are having the data. Okay. 100134567. Okay. Means continuous consecutive days transaction amount how much we are received from the customers that we are having. Now I want from yesterday's to today's how much difference I got. Which function I need to use?
Flags function.
Lag function, right? Yesterday's to today's means I need to consider yesterday's date along with the this one so that only I can able to get that one. If you want, you can use lag also. Okay. Let's write the query. First I will write one query. Okay. After that you can okay. Next t dot star. This is the current transactions. Whatever is there, that one. Okay. I want. Okay. Let's see this one. We'll see lead, not the okay lag function. I can use. What is the syntax here? I need to pass the column value along with the how many rows I want to skip. Okay. What is the column for us? For amount? What is transaction amount, right? We need to display. So we need to take the transaction amount. Next, what is the how many rows we need to skip? One. So you can give default value as 0 if you want. Okay. Next, over. Now tell me what values I need to use. Partition by. If we are having for the same day number of transactions means what we need to give. We need to make the group with the transaction date. Okay. Same way order by from the transaction T. Okay. Let's see how it will display. This what we are getting default value is 0. Why? We are doing the grouping. This is value is different. So we need to make the transaction date. Okay. Now, okay. This is the difference. Yesterday we got 55,000. Now today we got 90,000. We have the values, right? TR okay, TR means it is taking the 1 day before transactions data. Okay, for 90 it is taking 55 means 1 day before. For 55 it is taking 22 means 1 day before data it is displaying. You can apply the logic. Okay, if you are considering this one as a separate table. Okay, now you can do minus operations, right? Now everything is displaying in the which manner column wise, so you can do calculations on the columns, right? So simply you can do yeah, star along with that. Okay, you want difference, right? So first what you can do, transaction amount. minus what is that one. For this one you can give some alias name. Okay, that alias name you can use. Okay, now you can keep in the from class. See now how much difference you got. Okay, for compared to yesterday, today I got 35,000 extra. Compared to day before yesterday I got 33,000. Okay, prior to that, I got compared to previous day it got 2,000 extra. Before that day, one day he got previously 40,000 he got, but next day he got 20,000. Means he got 20,000 less compared to previous day. Okay, like that we can able to display. Now you can see this is what delta change, right? We got this much difference for yesterday's and today's. Guys, you are understanding or not? How lead and lag functions will work? Okay, lead and lag functions mainly for calculating the delta data. Delta data means comparison for yesterday's and today's. Maybe for last month, this month, last year, this year. Okay, like that if you want to show the some dashboards and all means, that time you will choose the lead and lag functions. Okay, dashboards means, right? If you open any COVID site. Okay, COVID. Here it will show the last year how many how many COVID patients are there. Today how many today how many cases are there. Okay, how much increase. Like that it will show the some dashboards, right? COVID. Okay, let's WHO COVID dashboard. Okay, it will show the some diagrammatically. Okay, our query will not show diagrammatically, but you can see the cases, total cases, how many new cases in last 24 hours, how how they will get, how they will show these things. Okay, in all the times it will display, it will get change. Okay, each and every session if you open again means, if they got any if they got any other case means it will increase. Okay, means what they will do, they will compare the, we compare with the previous count with today's count, how much difference is there, that difference they will show in the dashboard. How they will show? By using lead and lag functions. Okay, this is what lead and lag functions. You are clear? Guys, if you are not understood I will explain one more time. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, okay, all analytical functions you are clear, right? Row number, rank, dense rank, first value, last value, lead, lag, along with the grouping functions. Okay, you are clear? I will start new topic today. Okay, okay. Next topic will be synonyms. What is synonym? Can anybody guess? మారు పేరు అంటారు కదా తెలుగులో. What does mean? Okay. Actually, in the original real time, nobody will give complete original data table name. Do you know anybody what is the table of COVID table? We cannot get, right. By seeing this comment, we cannot come to know what is the table name and all. But if you know the table name is, you can query anything. But by seeing these dashboards and all, we cannot query in anywhere. Not only here, just by seeing any application, we cannot find the exact table names. Why? Because normally they will give the, even for clients or for other organizations, they will give the alias names for the tables or views or materialized anything. Okay, for every object they will create one duplicate name and they will give to their their who is dependence on that application and all, na, for them they will give only synonyms. You have developed one application, you will give the client, you will give the that application to client, but original rights whatever is there that you won't give to even your customer. You will give only for that alias names and limited access. Okay, limited access means they can able to read the application, means our code and all, but they cannot do modification. Even that will be in the encryption model. Okay, like that they will we will provide some, we will apply more securities. Okay, then they will give, we will give to customer. Okay, that's what the in real time scenario. For the hiding the table names and all, hiding the table names views everything, we will use the synonyms. Okay, in the this is mainly used for the security purpose, right? Alias names. Okay, we will provide only alias names. That is the synonym. Means it refers to original objects that are normal theory. There are two types of synonyms are there. One is public and private. Okay, if you are creating any synonym means, let's create one synonym. Create synonym. On a, we will create an employee table. Okay, emp underscore details, like that I will create one synonym for emp table. Is there any other synonym, other syntax? No, right? Yeah, okay. What does mean emp details synonym is created? Let's go and query that, instead of emp table, select star from that synonym. You can try. Now you will get the data. You can get both employee and employee detail. Okay, with the both the both the names, we can able to get the data. Okay, means we are using as a alias name. By default it will be the public, means this is I am using the sys user. Okay, if I want to check the data in system user, okay, I cannot get with the, let's see, I don't think so system user can able to connect or not. Grants and all I will explain later. Just meantime I will give some grants. Okay, okay, system user. Next password emp. I don't think so, this is not there in this table. It is also sys, but I cannot able to sheet. I need to open system user. How I can connect? Okay, it's it's not connected. I forgot the password and all. Now it's connected. Select star from MP. We'll see whether the data is there or not. See, there is no table in the system schema. Schema means what? Under database, we are having some schemas are there. Schemas means it will take in this is one user. Okay, schema means user. Okay, system is one user, sys is user, separate user. Okay, this is the by default database administrator will take care this thing, and it will give to the other rights. Okay, now I have created the synonym for the employee table. I want to give this table rights, emp table rights to the system user. How I can give? There is a one concept called grant and revoke, means for giving the access and all DCL control. That I will tell. I will explain later. Just meantime, just you can see this one. Grant all on EMP. EMP details to the system user. Okay, I have given the grant. Now I will check in the system schema. System, right? EMP details. I'm not able to get the data on EMP original table. Let me check with synonym whether I can able to get select star from. Okay, sys dot. I need to give sys dot this one. Okay, now I can able to get the data with the synonym. Let's check with employee. Already we have given rights for the synonym. That's why it is taking the original object. That too I have given all the rights. Okay, grant all on. But if I have given a select statement means only we can able to select this one. Okay, original object also it referring now. Okay, what does mean? We are giving the alias names. Normally we won't give the rights on original table. Even we won't give the tables to the other users. Only will provide the alias names for that. That is the synonyms. Okay, this is by default. This synonym will be private. If you want give the public. Okay, let's consider there are other users in the Oracle database. Let me create user. I don't think so with this one we can able to create or not. Create users and KNA. That I forgot. I will. First day I have explained, I guess, how to create users and all. Okay, we need to give some grants and all. Let me open that file. How I can give the grants and all. You have anybody? 1 second. I will create the users and will explain that. 25. 27. First class notes, is there anybody? First class notes I have not uploaded. Okay. Actually, we will provide the only synonyms. Okay. And next, if you want to give the public access all the things means you have to create with the public keyword. Okay, public synonym means this you will give to all organizations. Okay, let's assume I am having one company. I have developed one product. Okay, let's assume some bank product I have developed some year to withdraw the money in the ATMs and all that application I have developed. I have many customers like CT, SBI, like that different banks. I am having the application different customers. Okay, for them all the people I have given same software only, but with some changes. Okay, for that I will create some other objects based upon that based upon that parameters. I will give the same application with some modifications. Means based upon that parameters only, that application names and bank names, everything will get changed. Rest of the things will be same. Okay, original functionality, pin change, withdrawal, saving account. If you go and check in any ATM, you will get almost in all the places same functionality only. Only the first page only will get changed. Rest of the things would be same. Okay, means maybe background colors and all will get changed. Rest of the functionality will be same. Okay, how they will do na? They will prepare application and they will set some parameters to background and first page and everything. Okay, based upon that, that display will come for withdrawing the withdrawal in the bank's ATMs and all. Okay, here for that everywhere they will provide only synonyms only. No bank can take the original table names. Okay, if they want to use original tables and all means they will bank itself maintain separate softwares and separate employees to build the their bank applications and all. Okay, if you know the original table means definitely hacker can able to modify some details in that, or sometimes you might come to know that my account got hacked. Okay, how that situation will come means if they know the original table names means they can able to change the details. Okay, even though there is a restrictions they can able to, so means triggers and all will be there, but still they can able to do that one. But with synonyms compared to original table names, this will provide some little bit security. Okay, this public synonym will use for the all the places everywhere. By default some temporary table will be there. With that, if you entered, if you keep the ATM card in the machine means your data temporarily it will fetch into that temporary table and it will do the transaction. Means for that ATM that synonym will be there. For that ATM, uh, means for the temporary actually this is what happened in the back end for everywhere to withdraw the money. If you are go and fetch the keep the credit card means temporarily it will create one table. Okay, that will be there in the code in PLSQL code. For that they will fetch the data and that synonym rights will come for particular ID. They will fetch the records. They won't fetch all the records, only particular account ID by this credit or debit card. It will fetch and temporarily it will do the transactions in the temporary table, and once it is completed then it will submit to the original database. That's what happened in the backend. Nothing is there, simply it is just alias names. Okay, you're understood or not? Synonym, nothing is there, it's alias names simply. Okay, whatever I have told, I think that is extra. No matter whether you are keeping in your mind or not, doesn't matter, just it's the alias name. Okay, how synonym will work means if you can able to create with, if the table is exist or not doesn't matter. If you want to create the synonym you can create. Okay, let's assume I will drop one more table. I will create one more synonym. Create synonym emp1. Okay, create table I will create first. Create table some emp dep. Okay, as select star from emp. I have created the one table. Okay, for this one I will create the one synonym. Create synonym underscore syn for this table. Okay, now I can able to query with the synonym. I can able to query the synonym. Now what I will do, I will drop this table. How I can drop the table? Drop table, simply directly I can drop this one. Now go and check the synonym. What will happen? Synonym transaction is no longer valid, but still that object is there. Okay, now go and check the synonyms. Select star from dba underscore synonyms table. Okay, where synonym name equal to this. This should be caps, right? All database objects should be caps. emp underscore dp. Okay, let's go and check dba synonyms. If you are dropping the synonyms, no, actually it should not happen. Okay, sorry. Synonym is this one, right? This whatever I am using, that is table name. Synonym. This is caps again. Okay, record is existed on the EMP table, but table is dropped. Okay, means what does mean? Even though you have drop in the table, still synonyms will exist. Okay, if you want to drop the synonym, simply you can drop the synonym. Okay, now you cannot able to query the in the backend. Means there is no synonym. Okay, nothing is there. Just simply four statements. How you can create synonyms. Okay, what type of synonyms? Public and private. Public means they that rights will to access the table and access the synonym. They will give rights to the public. For that, you have to create one synonym called one keyword called public synonym. You have to use. Okay, just we'll see this one only. Create table. We are having data in EMPDB table. Now we have create the table is synonym as public synonym. Let's go and check this synonym. How type of the synonym? It will be public. Owner will be public. Okay. Now, if you are not giving this public keyword means what will happen? Create synonym. It will be private. Okay. Private means its owner would be same owner. With user, which user we are doing? Sys user. Sys user means it's a private to sys user. I have created both. Okay. Drop synonym. Drop public synonym. If you want to drop the public means only you can drop this one. Now you cannot able to do this one. You cannot fetch this one. Only you will have only your private synonym name. Okay. That's what synonyms topic. Just it's simply alias names. Nothing will be there in the synonyms. Okay. Real time will use the synonym names only, not the original tables. In all the sensitive applications, I'm telling. Sensitive means investments, money oriented things. All the places will use the synonyms only, like insurance domain, banking domain, mutual funds domain, share market. In all the places, even developer also cannot don't know the original tables sometimes, not all the time, sometimes. Okay, you are clear or not today's topic?